Hello, my dear student of Standard 9. How are you, everyone? Hope you are fine by the grace of Allah. Today, I will start chapter 7, lecture 2. We were discussing about the organs of the government. Already, we know that there are three organs of the government, isn't it? Legislative, executive, and judicial. Now, dear student, I want to tell something to you, that is, when you will do today's class, you must open your book and must write down all meaning of the words which I have given in the video, because this is very tough chapter. Otherwise, it will be impossible for you to understand in the next time. Okay. Now, come back to our main lesson. So today we will learn, that is, power of the executive. So at first, the status of the president. Though president is the head of the state according to the constitution, so by status he holds above all in the state. He, as the head of the state, takes precedence over all other persons in the state and exercises the powers and performs the duties conferred to and imposed on him by the constitution and by any other law. The president ratifies the laws enacted by the parliament. In the parliamentary system of government, the president is a titular head only. His executive actions of the government are executed in the name of president. In fact, he deserves no executive power directly. He can exercise executive actions in formation of government, in governance, legislation, finance, judiciary, defense, and diplomatic function of the country. Now, the power and function of the president. Here I have given the picture of our president, that means Advocate Abdul Hamid. Okay. So number 1, appointment of the prime minister and administration. This is the first function of the president. The president appoints the leader of the party, that means who got the majority in the election, as the prime minister. He also appoints the cabinet minister, state minister, deputy minister, and distributes portfolios amongst them with advice of the prime minister. Not only that, the president also appoints the Attorney General of Bangladesh. Attorney General means the chief legal advisor. That means this person is the chief advisor. That means Attorney General, and Mahabubul Alam, he is. Okay. So the president also appoints the Attorney General of Bangladesh, then judges of the Supreme Courts, then the chief election commissioners, the comptroller, that means controller or accountant, auditor general, that means Mahaporidarshok in Bengali, the chairman and other members of the Public Service Commission, the ambassadors. Ambassadors means an ambassador is an official envoy, especially a high ranking diplomat who represents a state. In Bengali, Rashtrudut. Okay. And the envoys and high commissioners. High commissioners means the high commissioners is the title of various high ranking, especially executive positions held by a commission of appointment in exercise in his power. Now, second function, the parliamentary and legislative power. The president summons the parliament. He addresses the parliament in the first session and at the commencement, that means beginning speech. Okay, that means the beginning of something, that in Bengali Suchona, that is speech of the first speech of the parliament of the first session of each year. Occasionally he sends messages to the parliament. He may adjourn that means suspend or postponed, and dissolve, that means closed the parliament on the prime minister's advice. Number 3 function is that ordinance making power. Ordinance means Ordhadesh, and authoritative rule or law or a decree or command, that in Bengali Ordhadesh. Okay. So when the parliament is dissolved or is not in session, and if the president thinks that circumstances exist which require immediate necessary action, he may promulgate or declare officially ordinances, and any ordinance or order will be implemented as law which are enacted in the parliament. Understand? Number 4, the appointment of the Chief Justice and judicial power. The President appoints Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. He does not consult anybody for this. The other justices of the Supreme Court are also appointed by the President. Number 5, the prerogative of mercy power. Prerogative means special power or special right. The President has the special power to grant pardons, reprieves, and respites, and to remit, suspend, or commute any sentence passed by court, tribunal, or other authority. The President of Bangladesh exercises this power in accordance with the advice of the Prime Minister. Here I have given the all meaning of the words. Okay. Now 6th number, the financial powers and function. Any bill or bill related money will not be passed in the parliament without the recommendation of the president. The president has the power to authorize expenditure from the consolidated fund for supplementary or excess grant. Here, consolidated fund means in Bengali this is Songhoto Tahbil or Sanchito Nidhi or Songjukto Tahbil. Okay. That means all revenues received by the government, all loans raised by the government, and all monies received by it in repayment of any loan shall form part of one fund to be known as consolidated fund. Now, the power related to the defense service. Here, the President is the Supreme Commander of the Defense Service of Bangladesh. He may take any defensive actions against any external aggression or internal disturbance. Now, look some picture. So, can you tell what is the name of this picture? Okay, this is Bongo Bhavan. Okay, that means Rashtrapatir Karjalaya. So, Bangabhavan, the Bangabhavan is the official residence and principal workplace of the President of Bangladesh. Okay. Now you will watch one video on Bangabhavan. Okay, and up to this today you must memorize the points. Okay. So up to this everyone, goodbye. Thank you.